Hey plant lover, welcome. Sometimes we have adeniums growing too tall to handle. The wind becomes a problem. Even rains can run havoc. If tall and slender adenium is left to fend for itself, things could go either way. Well, there is a solution, and that's precisely what we will be discussing in this video. Not all of us are into pruning and shaping the adeniums the traditional way. Well, from now on, we'll have something else up our sleeves, the not so traditional way to style our adeniums. I'm here with an adenium video, and if you follow my lead, you can sure have an adenium in your garden that in so many ways would turn heads. One, you'll have so much to brag about. Two, you'll have all the original length, just the plant is a lot shorter now. And three, turn the said adenium into a bonsai that already has a unique shape. You got so many reasons to do it as soon as you're done watching this video. Stay tuned and watch the whole video to know what exactly this process is about. Please make sure you're subscribed. Let's get started then. Start by bending the branches. Ideal length for a branch to be folded would be more than 2 feet. If less, you might harm the plant bad. So make sure you have the length on your side. One fold per branch is ideal. More than one turn or twist in either direction, again, I would not advise that. The plant stays in the so-called cast for at least 2 months to make the new shape long-lasting. Of course, you should put the plant back in a sunny spot, expect the leaves to grow bigger and better, and in a way, this would tell you how well the plant has taken to this new process. Plowing is something that is required by all plants, just that adeniums love it more than all. So once in a month, get that topsoil loosened, goes without saying, with a lot of care. To get the shape right and in place, adjust the branches accordingly and give it a week more, and then we move on to something dramatic. Untie the bow, let the branches get to the acquired shape. Time to prune the branch heads. This would give plant an indication to grow into its new shape with some newfound energy and vigor. This is to give the plant a signal to start from the start. All in all, reinforcing the new shape is what we are looking at. The next important step is to prune the roots as well. The reason is simple. This plant should not go through any other process for 1 year or so. And it would be better that we do everything necessary right now and not disturb it for anything else for next 12 to 15 months. We will also pull out the cortex a little more out of the soil to add to the overall look of the plant. Pour some sand at the top right around the base of the plant. This would help in keeping the topsoil pest and disease free, and the stones would help in keeping the moisture intact for longer period, thus keeping the plant hydrated in between watering, which should happen once every 10 days. The plant has readjusted the shape to an extent that's fine. In fact, it looks better and is future ready. Any further tinkering will make things uncontrollable. So you have done your part. Now it's up to the plant to make the best use of its new shape and surrounding to flourish in the best possible way. A week after we had pruned the Adenium, we are looking at some new leaves. In the third week after the process, leaves are all developed and plant has started to look complete. Two months after the prune, here it is, what we all were waiting to see. I find this new shape quite likable. What do you think? Please comment and let me know your thoughts. Each cut has given us 4 new branches. That's great. And now, of course, the plant will start some new branches right around the bent area of the stem. You can keep those or you can cut them off. Either way, you'll have a beautiful plant. I'll make another video on how things look after 1 year on the same plant, and that would be part 2. So yes, please make sure you press the notification bell after subscribing to the channel. Please get started on one of your Adeniums to get a similarly shaped plant. This is it for today. I thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, I'm always open to discussions. So comment and share your concerns. I wish you great energy and luck to keep doing what you've been doing in life. Grow some more plants and let's keep giving back to nature whatever we take from it. I take your leave now. I'll see you soon again with another exciting video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, goodbye, cheers.